In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an infographics with Google Gemini completely free of charge. So once you are on your Gemini, you can go to gemini.google.com and it will bring you over here. The first thing you need to do is to come to Canvas over here. So you give in the prompt. Can you generate an infographics about the future of AI in Nigerian universities? So we can just go ahead and click on enter. Right now, you can see it has given us the complete text about the future of the AI in Nigerian universities, all the details of what you need. You'll be able to see it over here. Now, you can go ahead and create the infographics by coming here, create. You can see infographics. And you can see wonderfully, it has created the infographic. You can see the future of AI in Nigerian universities. This is a complete one-page poster or the infographic with all of the details that we need. You can see it very, very nice and well created. Okay, so this is downloadable. You can download it and share with your friends as well if you're interested, right? So you can see the procedure of what it has used to generate this. If you like it, you can just go ahead and share it with your friends. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.